What's up, gang? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Costa. Oh my god, I love sushi. Spicy tuna roll. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make spicy tuna rolls, man. So easy. Watch. First thing you want to do is take your tuna and you're going to want to break it down into a chunky like texture. So I'm going to grab a tuna block, and the first thing I'm going to do is take a spoon and I'm going to follow the grain. You're going to take a spoon and lightly scrape off the meat into little chunks. It is that easy, you guys. That easy. Once you've done that, you want to take out any of the little sinew lines that come out. It's like these little fibrous tissues that are in between all the meat. In Japanese, we call that suji. Suji. Anyways, this next part is really up to you what you want to marinate your spicy tuna with. Me personally, I like it with spicy mayo and sriracha. Also, the ingredients that you want to put inside is really up to you. I like to put something crunchy in there because tuna has that weird texture where there's nothing else. There's nothing that stands out in it. So I like to add either crunchies, tempura flakes, or cucumber or some other vegetable, maybe some avocado to kind of mellow out that marinade. But it's really up to you. Whatever you want to add in there is completely up to you or the restaurant. So. And that's pretty much it. This might be the shortest video I've ever made. Yeah. The possibilities are endless. If you want, you can put avocado on top. You can add some cilantro to it. You can add some volcano crab to it if you want. My favorite part of the tuna is actually called nakaochi. Nakaochi is the meat that's closest to the spine bone. That meat is very soft, very tender, and it's perfect for spicy tuna. If you don't have that, if you can't get it, you can use any part of the tuna. Akami works great, the lean part. What the restaurants use mostly is the part right by the skin of the tuna, which has tons of the sinew lines, a bunch of that suji. That's where you take a spoon and you want to scrape through all of that if you buy a whole giant loin of tuna. Also, that's really good to use for your food costs. So keep that in mind as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It's very easy, very simple to make spicy tuna. If you come up with something, please tag me on Instagram and I'd love to see it. If you make some sushi at home or at the restaurant, what your favorite spicy tuna combination is. I hate tuna. I'm not a big fan of it unless it's bluefin. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Love you guys and I'll see you next week. And I don't know why I'm doing this with my hand.